Hello guys, welcome to Motex Electrical. Today's video I will be teaching you all kind of electrical light. As you all know that lighting is one of the most important thing at any building, even in office, home, school, or any public places, because they bring beauty, safety, and more comfortable in the environment. So we have number one as ceiling light. Ceiling light are those lights that can be used in your room and your parlor. So it installed on the ceiling. So we have another one, LED energy bulb, LED, light emitting diode energy bulb. So that those bulbs are the ones that can be installed like a center light or install any place that to make the environment brighter, safer and beautiful. So you can also be having many colors. So number three, we have wall light. Wall light are those lights that can be installed on the wall, like for instance in your fence, the light that you see in your fence around your home. So those are the light that they call wall light. It can be installed inside the room, but it will be installed on the wall. Some people use it in TV console, so that's what they call wall light. So another one, we have LED panel light. What is LED panel light? Remember, LED is light emitting diode. So LED panel light is a light that sometimes you see at the bank. Most of the bank use it with the entire light. You see those lights that always on the ceiling. So that's what they call LED panel light. So it can be in any form. So you should understand it in the same panel, just like a solar panel flat. So that's what they call LED panel light. So it can be used in any way. It can be used in your home, can be used in the office, but it's mostly used in the bank. Whenever you enter bank, just check around. You see those panels mounted on the ceiling. So it brings beauty. It make the environment look so elegant and so beautiful. Tape light that some people use in their TV console, or some people use it around their room. Use it around their room. So that's what they call tape light. We have it in different colors. So if you want to use it, you can choose the one of your choice, the color of your choice, and use it. So another one, we have outdoor light. Outdoor light is security light. They mostly use as security light. Those light that you see at like some of them, they come in form of solar installation. This one they use solar, so that's what they call outdoor light. They use it for security purpose and they use it at night. So that's what they call outdoor light. So at Motex Electrical, we make sure we follow all electrical code and standard to guarantee you safety and make sure you understand the basic things about electrical installation. So don't forget to follow this page or subscribe to this YouTube channel for more electrical tips, basics things about electricity. This page will teach you a lot of things about electricity and how you can carry out safely installation for your client. Thank you for watching.